a ke re ke buile gape ke re taba jela shitše a re bonane re taba dia fixed asset note re lebeletse land and buildings, equipment, vehicles and total column. So go na le taba tše dingwe gore always ga di change di dula ka re ga di-brackets. O tshwana le accumulated depreciation always e dula ka re ka re ga di-brackets. Disposal at carrying value always e dula ka re ga di-brackets. Then depreciation for the year le yona always e dula ka re ga di-brackets. Why di dula ka re ga di-brackets? Remember re ra depreciation, it's a decline in value of an asset. E ra re ke ge asset e loser value, and gore o loser value e ra re wa fokotšega, e ra re ka no re ke minus sign. So always ke minus sign. Then accumulated depreciation kana le ra re it's a combination of previous depreciation. Ra re ke depreciation jela ja mengwaga ela ya go feta. Then ge re classify re bitsa it's a negative asset. E ra re e affect our asset negatively. So always e ba leng negative sign. Then go na le tabeng ke nyaka re ikušiše before re ka thoma activity ya rena. Go na le ntho ngwe ra topa ka gore pre-adjustment trial balance. Ye nngwe tša tlile mo ka gore post dated trial balance. What is the difference between pre-adjustment trial balance and post-dated trial balance? Ke re trial balance ka mo mara di fapana bjang. Sa mathomo the word pre e ra goreng before eng, before we ba di changes, before ba recorda di changes. Ko ra taba tšela gore bona mo godimo ga trial balance ko ra ke before the changes unless stated otherwise, unless ba botse this was recorded, then e ra gore amount here is a final amount. Mara if a ba botsa sele e ra taba tšela gore bona ngwa ke before the changes, ke before ba ding ba di changes. Ka adjustment e ra goreng changes. Then post-dated, post re ka no re after what? After adjustments. E ra re ke after ba lokšitšeng the adjustment jo taba o di bona unless stated otherwise. So why ke re ke tiša taba tše go na le gore o humane o sa tse gore cost ela o e bonang godimo ga trial balance ke ya at the beginning or ke ya at the end. Gore o kgone go determine gore ke ya at the beginning goba ke ya at the end, thoma o lebelele gore trial balance yago ke post or ke pre-adjustment na. If ke pre-adjustment and o bona cost kwa godimo ga trial balance e ra re cost ela ke ya at the beginning unless stated otherwise, unless ba botse gore go na le transaction and it was recorded ba rekile, then it was recorded, then it becomes your cost at the end. Then post e ra re ke after adjustment, e ra re taba jela o re bonang kua ke after the changes godimo ga trial balance. E ra re cost ela o e bonang kua e taba cost at the end unless stated otherwise. If but this transaction was not recorded, e ra re taba jela cost ela a se cost at the end, e taba cost at the beginning. E yona e sounda weight nyana ge ke bolela so, mara ge re dia re ga re bona step by step o ta kgona go e bona tabe ke bolela post and pre-adjustment. Pre ke before adjustment, e ra re cost ela e ba cost at the beginning. Then post ke after adjustment, e ra cost ela e ba at the end unless stated otherwise. Ta no e bona re ga re dia di activity gore di reng ya today activity ya go re sa di tša gore a re tseneng di tabe. Activity normal activity 3 but the following relates to Twala Computer Shop. The financial year ended on 28 February 2020. Your financial year night from 1 March 2019 if I 28 February 2020 ke lo jo sanjor before automata ba jago o di consider financial year ya ka e thomaneng e fela ne ke financial period e thoma ka 1 March 2019 e fela ka 28 February 2020 o ka count it for 12 months. Then required complete the fixed or tangible asset note, it's 17 marks. All right, information extract of balances on 28 February 2019. Why gore I bolele ke pre or ke post na mara e reng extract of balances on 28 February 2019. 28 February 2019 era re before ever 1 March ebile 28 February 2019 ke previous financial year. Then ge re bula ka 1 March 2019 go na le the balance ya land and building ba re ke 1,147,800 ka 28 February 2019 ke ge financial year e fela. So era the balance tse re bona ke balance at the beginning of the financial year. Ke guide ke tsabela gore ke eng 28 February 2019 ngwa ga rena ona 28 February 2020 go ra ke previous financial year. Then re na le land and buildings which is cost 1,147,800. Then for equipment re na le 540,000. Then we don't have vehicles. On this activity, I don't have the vehicles. It's only equipment and land and buildings. Yeah, tabachela diato. More land and buildings. Land and buildings does not lose value. Era land and building, you're not a lose value. Instead, it appreciate. Era in your value. When you renovate your house, your land and building, it gain a value, more value. Then regards to accumulated depreciation. Yeah, land and building. More than a zero by dash. Then depreciation for the year. Gas value I lose value, I depreciate. Yeah, appreciate. More than a zero always. I lose value, it gain a value. Then renale accumulated depreciation on equipment. Each deal lose the value of 210,000. Then how much is our carrying value at the beginning? Remember, formula ere cost minus accumulated depreciation, it will give us carrying value. Our cost is more. Kara I lose value. It's over 1,147,800. I lose value. Then 540 minus 210. You're not lose a value, you depreciate. Which is 540 minus 210, which is 330,000. This is our balances at the beginning. Then another column here total. How are we going to get the amount more total? Yamatom cost at the beginning. Era roja cost. A cost ya land and building, the cost ya equipment, the cost ya vehicle, then it will find total 1,147,800 plus 540,000, which is 1,687,800. Same applies to what? To accumulated depreciation. There is no accumulated here. It means it will remain as 210,000. Then to get my carrying value, ngano 1,147,800 plus 330,000, or 1,687,800 minus 210. It comes for the same amount, minus 210, which is 1,477,800. Korali usanjuro go chiaye o plus ali ye plus ye, not minus. Korali ye 1,147,800 plus 330,000. Esanjo feying 1,477,800 or 1,687,800 minus 210,000. It don't offer the same amounts. Then we go to movements. Reload the movements. Get up during the year. What happened? Who dearly nuggets? Ronaldo adjustment or additional information. Then matter who dearly. Some of them that the shop premises were extended at a cost of 160,000. This was paid and recorded in July 2019. However, the bookkeeper had incorrectly debited the repairs account in the ledger. Yeah, ke be ke nyoko zama ke re ke nape ke re ke dile re Porsche and I get ya re Porsche. Wa bona because of however era statement se la sa thoma ka however wa kwa pele era re mo ke correct. Then what happened go gore bookkeeper o recordile amount ye weng ba re ba e recordile mara ga e recorda go the land and buildings yena o e recordile weng go the repairs era ro fitlile kwa go the repairs are unknown amount plus ba renovate ka 160,000 which is wrong e ba sa swanna record le go di repairs gale ba sa lokiše gale ba renovate eng ba the shop was being renovated era 160 e be sa swanna ile go ding go di repairs then e re ke link le topic lo ra idea ra tharedi if you were required to prepare income statement era 160 both of talk about the expenses other all the operating expenses or repairs wa fita war minus 160,000 go the repairs if you ba ro di income statement but no di note number 3 era re ke addition at cost mo aba dia Porsche di le go ding o di repairs rena record ntho sa nye re record addition at cost is 160,000 then error more land and building I think different then there's no disposal, there's no depreciation aina depreciation then re cost at the end. To get cost at the end we just cost at the beginning or add addition at cost or minus disposal at cost go cost their disposed asset arvo cost at the beginning is 1,147,800 plus addition at cost is 160,000. Then there's no disposal at cost, but are minus 0. Then it's 1,147,800 plus 160,000, which is 1,307,800. So your cost at the end is 1,307,800. Then our carrying value will be what? This one minus this one. It was only minus at least 1,307,800. Then you are done with your land and buildings. I want to get in with anything. Getting what they go equipment. Let's go to equipment. I go to the equipment. Information B. Certain unused equipment was scrapped at book value on 30 November 2019. The cost price was 72,000. This is 72,000 cost price. Then the accumulated depreciation at the beginning was 40,000. Accumulated depreciation at the beginning. Then no entry has been made. Raba recorder. By scribbling 30 November 2019. Not 1 March 2019. Then now, by dispose by scribbling at carrying value. This one I know so right. The accumulated depreciation that is being provided is at the beginning when we're opening our financial year. Then before equipment by scrap, if a regular automagada 1 March of Itagadi 30 November 2019, value. So before scrap, Toma will level depreciation at the current year. It'll go to March 30 November, washing 10% on cost. R72,000 times 10% times EDG how many months before we guys scrap o thoma ka 1 March o fita ka 30 November, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and ke 30 November ke taibala nke bo go 1 November be nga se bale go it's 9 months or 9 over 12. Then re humana bokana 72,000 times 10%, times 10% times 9 over 12. Re humana 5,400. 5,400 ke depreciation ya disposed vehicle, ke depreciation ya disposed vehicle. Then disposal at carrying value we humana bya or 72,000, which is cost, minus 40,000 accumulated depreciation at the beginning, minus 5,400 depreciation for the current year. Then it offering a disposal at carrying value, which is 72,000 minus 40,000 minus 5,400, which is 26,600. Kion, I confirm. 72,000 minus 40,000, which is this one, minus 5,400, 26,600. So here are more disposal at carrying value. What I record guy 26,600. Yeah. Then we go to depreciation for the year. Already depreciation ya matomorna. Rinyaga ya the remaining equipment. Cost there and it was 540. Ya the equipment jela ka muka 540 minus cost ya equipment jela ba rekshijeng. If jela ba script le ke boka 72,000 minus 72,000 era rekshiji ka boka 540 minus 72,000. She got 468,000. Then times 10% times 12 over 12. 12 over 12 you want to read from the 1 March of 28 February. Times, okay, it's equal to times 10%, which is 46,800. Then depreciation again, get old. Then ye get sold. Then re thakantša di two. 46,800 plus 5,400 ere fa 52,000. 52,200. Ke nyaka o itse re tswa kae 46,800 plus 5,400, it's equal to 52,200. Then we are done with this one. Then the last part, cost at the end, already cost of the end at the end she calculate, which is 468,000. Rehumana ba cost at the end. Kinaga we gushish. Cost at the end, which are cost at the beginning. Plus addition, more level our addition ya equipment minus cost of disposed asset. Cost ya asset that by delaying by dispose later offering cost at the end. Then accumulated depreciation at the end, which are accumulated depreciation at the beginning, which is this one. Accumulated depreciation at the beginning is this one, plus depreciation for the year, which is 52,200, minus accumulated depreciation of disposed. Again of disposed, kinaga old depreciation dibe 2, which is 40,000 plus 5,400, which is 45,400. Yeah. Accumulated depreciation, yeah, disposed asset at the end. Oscar Jaya at the beginning, Oscar minus ayona fair. Minus all depreciation, was it add? Jaya 40,000 or 5,400, debe 45,400. Give no minus arrow. At the beginning, accumulated depreciation is 210 plus depreciation for the year is 52,200. Then accumulated depreciation of disposed ke bokae away plus y minus 45,400. The reason why we minus kore ga e sa le gona ka mogara business e ra re ge motho a tsamaya mo lefase o tsamaya le dibitšang ga a re shield dibitšang o tsamaya le dibitšang so le ge o rekiša goba o dispose ntho ela e tsamaya le mathata a yone e sa exista botse a e sa exista ka mogara a business so re a inch then e re fa bokae 216,800. Then carrying value at the end is cost minus accumulated. It's cost minus accumulated, which is 468 minus 216. Which is 251,200. 251,200. Then Artaganche Regamo total Regano Tomamo Renalo 1,307,800 plus 468,000. Then it are 1,775,800, which is cost at the end. Then accumulated will be 216,800. Then carrying value at the end, Regano Jaira minus I, which is 1,775,800 minus 216,800, which is 1,559,000. Over gonna Jaira plus I. Ye. Ke yona e lo re ya go transfera go eng go balance sheet ge re ya go balance sheet kwa ga di tangible assets a ke re ya thoma assets then ya reng ya re non current assets then ya reng fixed assets or tangible asset e ra re nyaka amount ke yona e re recordang go eng go balance sheet ye ba re ke eng carrying value at the end re nyaka amount 1,559,000 ke yona re nyakang go eng go fixed asset go going your balance sheet. Then more depreciation is 52,200, 26,600, then another 160,000. Then you are done with your node number 3. Jigi jerdinyaka kam hordiandi ar cream ra practice eronyaga practice fair semalulege things on Facebook semalulege go YouTube ska lebala go subscribe go like go recommend go post go share go state your problem so that you can be assisted. You just state your problem then I thank you.